how to use the Webflow API. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Webflow API. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, head over to webflow.com. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, take a minute to sign up. And if you're in a hurry, you can use the sign in with Google option to save time. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if you manage multiple projects. Now, find the project you want to use the API with. Each project shows up as a neat card on your dashboard. Click the three dots on the bottom right corner of the site card to open the Options menu. Then click Settings. This brings you to the full settings page for that site. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down to Apps and Integrations. This is where you'll find everything related to extending your site's capabilities, including API access. Inside Apps and Integrations, scroll until you see the option to generate API token. Click it. You'll be asked to give your token a name. This is super helpful later when you have multiple tokens and need to know which is which. Use a name like Portfolio Site Automation or CMS Uploader, anything that makes sense to you. Now click Generate Token. Webflow will give you a long string of characters. This is your token. This token is basically your password for accessing Webflow's API, so don't share it with anyone. Also, copy it right away because Webflow only shows it once. If you forget to copy it now, you'll have to generate a new one later. Once you've copied it, Webflow gives you the option to hide the token forever. Definitely click that it's a security measure that protects your site from unwanted access. And that's it. You've now got your Webflow API token and you're ready to start making requests, setting up integrations, or even building custom tools that talk directly to your Webflow site. Hope this video helped you get started with the Webflow API. See you in the next one.